Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to stop by. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, if you are not a part of the Seasoned Beauties family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit the notifications bell. That way, you will be the first to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. Our theme for this month is NATURALE, and I have Variation2. Okay, so let's go ahead and dig right in and see exactly what variation. This sun is like okay, I'm try. Okay, well, the first item we have is by the company Elemis, and this is the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Wow, almost felt like a throwback episode of I Love Lucy. I know I'm telling my age, but it's okay. She did this episode, Vita Vita Vegemin. Look it up, okay? I'm just saying. But that's what I thought about immediately when I saw this. However, okay, our description card says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. The manufacturer suggested retail price on this product is $35. Well, and of course we know it's sealed, so not ready to open that one just yet. Okay, I still have a few masks left to try, but I just wanted to make sure, let you know what was inside. The next item that we have, this is the Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette from the company Butter London. And, okay, I'm just saying, these are some gorgeous shades. How about that? And this sun is giving us all kinds of and this is what they look like on my skin. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $32. It says these are cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. So I think tomorrow's look, I might be using this palette. I'm definitely loving this. I'm telling you, I love the packaging. I love the shades. The swatches are everything. Look at that. Thank you, sun. Yes. Okay. Moving right along. The next item that we have is by Luxy. I am so feeling this packaging. You know, this theme for this month, this packaging went along with this rather well. Nonetheless, this is the Luxygaya 3-piece eyeshadow trio, and the brushes that are included are the Luxy 250 large eye blending brush, the Luxy 246 precision crease brush, and the Luxy 510 foundation brush. Now this packaging, I haven't even taken out the brushes yet, but this packaging, I'm here for it. Let's talk about not wasting. Oh yes, definitely. And the brushes, here we go. They are gorgeous. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on the 3-piece set is $30. And this says, create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxy brush set. Apply foundation with the 510 brush that I showed you. Blend your eyeshadow with the 250 large eye blending brush and precisely apply color in your crease with the Luxy 250 precision crease brush. Definitely feeling that. The next item that I have is by the company Alamar, and this is the Mother of Pearl gloss. Ooh. This says juicy shade shifting. Okay. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $10. Yes, we're going to go ahead and open it and swatch it. Oh, yes. Yes. Look at that. Gorgeous. I'm excited to try that as well. I think we're going to end up doing a complete BoxyCharm look on tomorrow. So the last item that we have is by the company Appeal, and this is the gel liner. We're going to go ahead and swatch that. Oh, it feels really nice, by the way. Here we go right here. Oh, I'm telling you, that feels really nice. Okay. And let's see what the description card has to say about this. It says, line and define your eyes or lips with your new Appeal gel liner. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $21. So I must say, this month's box, I really wasn't sure how I was going to feel about it. I'm just going to tell you the truth. But I'm feeling quite nice right about now. Especially with this palette right here. I love the look of it. So we're going to go ahead and create a look with these wonderful products right here, and I will list below what the manufacturer suggested retail price for the entire contents of this box would be. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is $21 per month, and that does include your shipping, and you get 4 to 5 full-size name brand products, okay? And you're guaranteed to have a minimum of $100 value per box, okay? Now you do have the option to do it on a month-to-month basis, or you can choose to do in larger increments. Now, BoxyCharm has come a long way since I first started with them. They have introduced BoxyLux, which is an deluxe version of the BoxyCharm monthly box that we get, and that one does run you $49.99, and that comes out every quarter, okay? Now, in addition to that, they have also added pop-up, Boxy pop-up. You gotta look. Now, if you decide after you check it out, after you've seen these items, and after we do our wear test and review, that you would like to become a part of the BoxyCharm family, there is a link in the description box below. Go ahead and click on become a part of the BoxyCharm family. Let Let me see how you work with the items that you get. Now, if you receive something different in yours, go ahead, tell me about it down below. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like, how you're feeling about the box changes. Okay? Now, I thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And by all means, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.